This is the video orientation of the Volt training app. You will be provided with all of your days of training each week. Pull the menu down to view information about the block of training that you are in. Pull the menu back up to preview the movements planned for you each day and access additional training resources. When you are ready, select Start Workout. The readiness questionnaire will provide an opportunity to take inventory on your stress, soreness, energy, mood, and sleep. It is important to capture this data as it correlates with your training over time. Next, select a dynamic warm-up of your choice. Execute the movements as they are listed and complete the warm-up when you are done. As the workout loads, pay attention to the performance tips that address nutrition, hydration, and recovery best practices. Every set within each workout will include a video demonstration, recommended level of resistance, and the duration or number of reps in each set. For timed movements like this one, utilize the workout timer. Starting the timer will initiate a 5-second countdown. Stop the timer at the conclusion of your set and hit save to capture the time. Mark the set as done to advance to the next set. If you encounter a movement that you are unable to perform for any reason, select Replace to view recommended alternatives. You will always be provided with various equipment options or bodyweight variations that will target a similar movement pattern. After you make your selection, specify the duration of the movement replacement, and the change will be made in real time. If you'd like to get to a different place in your workout, swipe over and pay attention to the progress bar at the top, which tracks where you are in your workout at any given point. For loaded movements like this one, Volt will recommend a specific amount of weight based on what we know about you and your strength levels. If you decide to deviate from the recommendation, make sure to edit the field to capture the most accurate data. Future loading recommendations will be influenced by each set you complete. After completing this set, mark it as done, and provide Volt with your rating of perceived exertion. You'll see that after completing a set of training, the recommended rest time is displayed as well. Following the rest time will elicit the greatest adaptation for each training session. However, the rest timer does not prevent you from completing your next set if you prefer to do so. Now let's say you complete the next set of this exercise and you rate the set as very easy. Since that rating is different than what we intended it to be, we will adjust your training in real time. A similar adjustment will be made if the rating is more difficult than expected. This is Volt's training AI working to make sure that your training is both safe and effective, meeting you where you're at on every single day. When you are done training, make sure to finish your workout at the top right of the screen. You'll be provided with a summary of the work you completed in case you want to see your data or share it via social media. This concludes the video orientation of the Volt training app. We look forward to serving you. And as we like to say here at Volt, earn everything.